All right, guys, so here are the three best things about this gold metal arch backdrop set. First, you get a full set of three different size arches, including a massive 7.2 foot center stand. Um, so this makes it incredibly easy to create those, high-end layered backdrop designs for weddings or parties right out of the box. Second, it's super fast and easy to assemble. It uses user-friendly spring buttons that click firmly into place, so you can build the entire set in minutes without fighting with a bunch of loose tools. And finally, this is perfect for event planners, DIY brides, or anyone who wants an Instagram-worthy photo booth. The frames have reinforced T-shaped bases and dual butterfly screws, meaning they stay completely steady even when you load them up with heavy floral arrangements or balloon arches or whatever you want to put up there. So, overall, if you want a versatile, heavy-duty backdrop set that looks premium and is built to last, this is definitely worth checking out on Amazon. Peace, y'all.